Alright guys, welcome to today's stock market update. What is the day? I don't know, April something. April 7th? Yeah, April 7th, Friday. Today was a pretty interesting day in terms of not interesting at all. Total flatline. Stocks really didn't do anything today. No big winners, no big losers, nothing really happened. Amazon, I think it was down today, maybe down like $6 max. I forget, but it closed -$3, which -$3 for a stock like Amazon is pretty much nothing. It's really quite insignificant. A stock when it's you got it because you have to think in percentages for stocks. So a stock that's $900 going down $3, that's about 0.3% of the stock's value, which a 1% loss on a stock or gain is itself kind of insignificant. I let's say you own 50 shares of Amazon, going down 0.3% or $3 is a $150 loss, and it being a swing trader, someone who stays in a position, for a long term or a 20% gain or 8% loss, 0.3% really doesn't mean anything. It's just kind of like flat. It just my other positions, some were down 0.3%, some were up 0.3%. One was up 1%, one was down 1%. It was pretty much just a flat day. I think my account balance said positive $12 at its peak today, and then I was actually down like $500 or something by the close. But $500 is depending on your account size. $500 could be huge if your account size is $1,000, but your account size is, 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000. $500 it becomes less significant, and that's actually how, that's how everything works. That's why everyone measures the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones in percentage gains. So today, I think the Dow Jones and Nasdaq were pretty much just like almost 0% gains. I think the Nasdaq, I think it closed at positive 0.01%. I need to check, but basically the bottom line here is there was just a flat day. So how do you make money in a market that's flat? Well, the secret is you wait for it to either fall down and then come back up, or you wait for it to just go up. So a lot of people can make gains in a flat market, by doing day trading and stuff, if they're good at that or whatnot. But I don't know that it can be really too consistent with day trading. I don't know that it's so viable. I mean, I've seen success stories here and there. I don't know how great you have to be. That's not my style, though. My style has worked for me. Seeing a waiting more, suffering a little bit, seeing like a 3, 4, 5% loss, and then all of a sudden seeing a 20% gain in like a day. Like, for instance, if you guys know ANET, ANET, that company was around the $90 mark in December, maybe, and I purchased it at around $93, I think, and then shot up to a $116 after like 4 days. So that's a ridiculous gain. And then since that massive shoot up, it's been trending upward, and day it actually closed down $2 lower than the high its peak price ever achieved, which the peak price was 134.50 or something. So to each their own for each style. In a flat market, I'll say my style doesn't really work. Of course there has to be uptrend, but once there's an uptrend, there are some big gains. So yeah, that's the update for today. Basically, today was just like a nothing. It was like a waste of space. If you made your living off of stocks, and with my style today, you would be just sad. You would not be making anything today. But yeah, that's the update. Um, give me some ideas. What do you guys want to hear about? I can talk about the car business. I used to be part of that. I can talk about, real estate. I can talk about renting your housing. I can talk about future stock picks. I can talk about more about my stock picks. I can show you how to analyze and break down stocks and decide what's a good stock. Tell me what you want to hear next. Right now, I'm just gonna keep rolling the status updates every day, and then just kind of throw out what I think you guys will want to hear. So, subscribe and peace. Oh, I missed the button. That's awkward.